In last video we have discussed about the concept of overall concept of economic development. Now see the difference between the terminology, economical terminology, economic development and the economic progress. Similarly, we can say that both terms are similar or very similarities in both terms, but both are very different in terms of, we can say, on the basis of development process. On the basis of development process, we can say development is what? Development is qualitative. You can't measure it. For example, a standard of living, in terms of, we can say, qualitatively it is increased, but you can't measure it in terms of, we can say, quantitatively measures. We can't measure it. But economic progress, we can say, that can be easily measured in terms of increase of national income, increase of per capita income. So how much the income is increased, that is quantitative. And then the another difference is economic development is first stage. It is the first stage when social changes are taking place in economy, and after it, when social changes taking place in economy, then and then after the stages of economic development and the economic progress is taking place. The second thing, that according to the changes in economy, कैसे कैसे चेंज आएंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल कि कोई एग्रीकल्चर में चेंज आया, एग्रीकल्चर में रिसर्च हुआ हाइब्रिड सीड्स के ऊपर, आपको टेक्स्ट में दिया गया है ये एग्जांपल. अब हाइब्रिड सीड्स पर जो रिसर्च हुआ एंड ड्यू टू इट इंक्रीज इन टोटल प्रोडक्शन, that is called economic development, and that is the development. So research in hybrid seeds, it is qualitative, but overall the production is increases, and that is also quantitative. But in terms of increase in agricultural land, and we have already learned about it, okay, what is multi-cropping system, that is agriculture has discovered, in agriculture revolution had discovered. So because of increase in agricultural land due to increase in total production, that is called the economic progress. कि मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड की वजह से जो रिवॉल्यूशन हुआ है उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड इकोनॉमिक प्रोग्रेस. एंड थर्ड वन इज, वी कैन से, बिफोर आई डिफरेंशिएट द थर्ड पॉइंट, I would like to note you that please remark that in relation to developed and developing nations, we can say there is very slight difference, but it is very, very negotiable, very judgmental. Development is, we can say, in terms of language, we can say, to development is just like comma. And economic progress has not full stop. It is constant going on progress. So in relation to developed and developing nations, increase in national income of developing countries, increase in national income of developing countries is also economic development. So economic development कहेंगे. And increase in national income of developed countries, that is called economic progress. So economic progress, it's ultimately, we can say, a growth of a country. Economic development, that is what about the overall development of a country, not only economic development. Thank you.